Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make canned pasta sauce taste better. First, begin by sautéing some fresh garlic and onion in a pan until fragrant. This simple step builds a foundational flavor. Next, stir in about 1 tablespoon of good quality olive oil to add a silky richness. Finally, a small pinch of sugar can surprisingly balance the acidity, making the sauce taste more mellow and well-rounded. These initial steps are crucial for a noticeable improvement. Now let's talk about herbs and spices. Dried herbs such as oregano, basil, and thyme should be added early in the cooking process to allow their flavors to bloom. For a little warmth, a dash of red pepper flakes can introduce a subtle, pleasant kick without making the sauce overtly spicy. Remember, you can always add more, but you can't take it away. These additions will transform a bland sauce into something truly special. To further enhance the sauce, consider boosting its umami and body. A spoonful of tomato paste, cooked down for a minute, will intensify the tomato flavor significantly. For a more complex profile, a splash of red wine can add wonderful depth. Just let it simmer to cook off the alcohol. Finally, stirring in a pat of butter at the very end provides a luxurious mouthfeel and rounds out all the flavors beautifully. These steps create a restaurant-quality sauce. The final, and perhaps most important, step is simmering. Allow your sauce to simmer gently for at least 20 minutes or even longer to let all those wonderful flavors meld and deepen. Before serving, stir in some fresh, chopped herbs like basil or parsley, and a generous amount of freshly grated Parmesan cheese. This brings a fresh brightness and savory finish. For more great tips and deals, including that awesome car air freshener, check the description below. Enjoy your incredibly flavorful homemade tasting pasta sauce.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.